Hello friends, welcome to Hackson. Today in this video tutorial, I am going to show you how you can completely disable the background data consumption in any of your laptop or desktop. So friend, one of the way is you open your task manager by pressing Alt, Control and Delete in your keyboard. So friends, you can see task manager is here. So in this task manager, you can check the processes like network here, and you can see that which of your apps or software are consuming your network. There is a complete list. But friend, there are some services which are hidden. They run in the background and you don't know what services they are. So friends, I am going to tell you these services. So friend, first of all, you just select this PC, right click on it, and you just go to manage here. You can see manage option. When you click on manage, there is a window. It will open in front of you. Maximize it. Now friends, in this window you can see there is a folder naming services and application. Click on it. After that, here you can see another which is called services. So friend, this. So friends, open this. After that, you can see there are a list of services which are running on your computer. Let me expand this. Now you can read their names easily. So friends, first service is your background intelligent transfer service. You can see it here. So in this service, just left click and go to properties. Here you can see this service is running, and in the description you can read that transfers files in the background using idle network bandwidth. If this service is disabled, then any of your application such as Windows Update or MSN Explorer will be unable to automatically download the programs and other information. So friends, this means that this services downloads the programs and other information in the background. So you have to stop this service, and in the startup type, select disable here, and after that apply. This setting will take effect immediately. After that, select OK. So first query is solved. Now you just scroll down from there, or you just select U in your keyboard. You can see there is one more service which is known as update orchestrator service. So friend, this service, yes, just go to properties. After that, again you can see in the description, manages Windows updates. If stopped, your device will not be able to download and install the latest update. So friend, this service manages your Windows updates. Like sometimes your Windows updates automatically and your data is exhausted. So this service is responsible for that. So you have to again stop this service, and after that, in the startup type, you have to select disable and then apply and then OK. And the third most, which is very important, I say, is your Windows update. You just again scroll down little bit more. You will find one service which is named as Windows Update here. Here you can see friends, this service is listed here. So again right click on it, properties. So friends, as you know, Microsoft releases its update weekly, or you can say in 10 days. So what happens? Our Windows updates automatically. Again you can read the description here. It enables the detection and download installation of updates for Windows and other programs. If this service is disabled, Windows Update will not be able to download. So again you have to stop this service, wait for a while, and then after that disable this. So friends, let me tell you, there is no risk of disabling this service. You can do it. I have tried it and I am showing you live here. After that, you just have to exit that and your query is solved. Thanks for watching this video friends.